Amidst grief over the natural disaster that struck East Nusa Tenggara, Indonesians in Geneva expressed their condolences and stood in solidarity with the affected communities.
This year's commemoration at the Permanent Mission also offered an opportunity to strengthen community bonds. Amid the hardship facing those affected by the disaster, although far from home, the Indonesian community in Geneva shared in the grief of fellow Indonesians in East Nusa Tenggara and conveyed its concern and solidarity from afar. The ceremony was held in a solemn atmosphere and brought together students, Indonesian professionals working at the international organizations, and other members of the community. A 3-member flag-raising team performed its duties with solemnity and a strong sense of responsibility. One member carried the ceremonial tray bearing the Indonesian flag. During the ceremony, 2 civil servants were presented with the Satya Lancana Karya Satya, Indonesia's Civil Service Long Service Medal, in recognition of their service and dedication. This shared sense of unity and mutual support also shaped the flag-raising ceremony marking the 81st anniversary of Indonesia's independence, attended by more than 150 Indonesian citizens and members of the diaspora. At the Permanent Mission of the Republic of Indonesia in Geneva on Monday, 17th of August, Ambassador Sidarto R. Suryodipuro, Permanent Representative of Indonesia to the UN, WTO, and other international organizations in Geneva, said that commemorating Independence Day abroad strengthens the sense of national identity among Indonesians overseas and serves as a reminder of the importance of unity and mutual support.